Yeah, decided to go ahead and start tearing down the old Dayton DL. That's the serial number, instead of spitting off the old other number. But DL. Somebody put a comment down below. I wonder what year model this is. I hadn't found it on Wikipedia or anything. I got the main arm off of it, laying up here on the sawhorses. And decided to go ahead. It's nice and cool out here, about probably 82. And we're going to go ahead and start this as part one. And just got enthused, worked on that old indexer all day. And yeah, I've got so much going on. But starting to really strip her down nice. And maybe we'll be out here another hour tonight. But got the acid sitting out here. May not even do it tonight. I'm getting a little bit wore out. Get all these blades in it. Get miscellaneous parts ripped off here. Well, excuse me, taken off, not ripped, but taken off. Pull out the the two big old drive deals, wheels for the blades. Get them down, and then start assessing what all I'm going to have to machine to restore this thing. So this is part one of the Dayton DL restoration. You guys have a great week, and follow us. It's going to be done in several parts. And looks like I've got 3 cans left of really good primer back there. I'll do it in that old same Pexto green. It won't be John Deere. I said John Deere, but that's a little bit light for John Deere. But yeah, I don't know. I may even splurge and go get the original paint for this thing. It's going to be a nice old saw. You guys come back and visit. We're out of here.